First step is go to File Explorer. Then click on this PC, so all driver will be there, right? So click on C drive, then click on Windows. Inside a software distribution, one folder will be there, so you have to select software distribution, then select all, so using Control A, then all files will be deleted using Shift delete, so permanently it will delete. So you can click on continue. If any of the files it need permission, means you can skip that one. So second step is clean all the disk temporary files. So you had to go run, or you can use Windows R. So inside you can enter clean manager, clean mgr, so you can enter and click on OK. So it will open disk files, so all the driver will be there in the disk cleanup. So you can click on see inside all the temporary files, recycle pins and temporary file thumbnails, so all you had to select and click on OK, so it will permanently deleted. So whatever driver will be there in PC, so you had to select all the driver temporary files. So first we have done C drive, then same thing we had to do in E drive also. So here E drive will be there, so I have delete that E drive. So similar thing, you can delete all the driver in your PC. So here disk cleanup is done. So it will permanently delete all the temporary files. It will help to speed up the PC performance. So once deleted, third step. So third step is open task manager. Then inside you can click on startup tab. So here process, performance, app history, startup is there, right? Fourth startup you can click if any of the software you are not used, right? Then that software backgroundly will run, so it will increasing the performance. If you don't want that software, you can disable. Here key pause I have not used, so I here enabled, so it will backgroundly executed, so I have disabled this one. So right click, disable will option will be there, so you can disable it. Yeah, that's all. Then fourth step is we have used in temp. Go to run, then click on percentage temp percentage, so you can enter percentage temp percentage, that means temporary files in the PC. So if you are click OK, so all the temporary will be show. You can select all and delete permanently, shift delete you can give. So this is the fourth step. So this will also help to increasing the performance. So fifth step is prefetch. You had to use prefetch. So similar thing, you can use run, you edit, enter prefetch, so it show all the files. You can delete that one. So once deleted, so these steps will complete.